Hey everyone! It's great to be here. Today, I'm going to talk about how to use cloud computing to maximize your business productivity. But before we get into that, let's take a moment to talk about what cloud computing is and why it's so important. Simply put, cloud computing is the delivery of computing services, such as servers, storage, databases, networking, software, analytics, and intelligence, over the internet. It allows businesses to access the same kinds of powerful technology that large enterprises typically have access to, without having to buy and manage all the hardware and software themselves. Now that we know what cloud computing is, let's dive into some of the key benefits of integrating cloud computing into your business. First, cloud computing can make your business more agile. Since cloud computing can be accessed on demand, businesses can quickly scale up or down their technology resources, depending on the demand. This means that businesses of any size can have access to the same technologies that their larger competitors have. Second, cloud computing can help save on infrastructure costs. By eliminating the need to buy and maintain your own hardware and software, businesses can save on costs while still having access to the same powerful technology. Finally, cloud computing can help businesses stay secure. By using cloud computing, businesses can trust that their sensitive data will be secure and up to date with the latest security protocols. Now that you know the basics of cloud computing, let's focus on how you can use it to maximize your business productivity. First, cloud computing can help streamline your workflow. Cloud computing allows you to access the same information from all of your devices, which makes it easier for you to collaborate with your team. All the data is stored securely in the cloud, so you don't have to worry about losing important documents. Second, cloud computing can help increase your team's performance. Cloud computing allows all members of your team to easily access the same tools and information. This helps streamline projects and tasks, and also helps increase collaboration and communication across departments. Third, cloud computing can help improve customer service. By integrating cloud computing into your business, you can provide faster responses to customer inquiries and service requests. This can help you provide a better customer experience and help increase customer loyalty, thus increasing your business's bottom line. Finally, cloud computing can also help you reduce IT costs. By using a cloud provider to manage your IT infrastructure, you can reduce the amount of money you spend on IT-related expenses. So, there you have it. Cloud computing can be a great way to reduce costs and increase productivity within your business. If you're interested in learning more about cloud computing, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.